Did I push record? I don't even know. I did. Yeah, pretty much. I did push record. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Harold here at Ella Sunchild. Now y'all done seen me post this on Facebook a bunch of times, so I'm here. I'm showing you. Look, I'm showing you everything. Showing you. Let me see. Look at this. I think y'all saw that online already. Oh, that's cute. I like that one too.
Black Princess?
Yeah, I like all of them. Look at all these t-shirts you got for the baby girls. You're gonna do a boys line too sooner or later. Headbands, water bottles, charm bracelets, that's what they call, right?
Yes.
Necklaces, you know, more bracelets,
Yes.
earrings. Oh, this black girl magic. Look at this. There it is, black girl magic. See, come on, man. Melanin. You know that's what you are. So, look at all this. Look at all this. Come on, focus for me. There you go. Got a naked doll over there.
I'm working on that one.
She's working on that one. Now, if y'all don't know, this is my birthday twin, Tanisha, right here.
What's up, everybody?
Owner of Ella Sunchild.
Yes. Welcome. This is Black Girl Central. That's what I like to call it. So
excellent.
Everything in here is celebrating Black Girl magic. So when you bring your babies in here, they're going to see themselves in everything. The bows and the jewelry, even on the floor. I got
yep,
yes.
You can show that rug.
Yeah, show the rug.
Look at this rug.
Yes.
Y'all want this, you better come get it.
Yes.
This is bad. Yeah, you come get this rug. She can get another one. This a big rug too.
Yes, it is.
That's a pretty big rug.
Yes, but I just wanted a place for our babies to come and see themselves everywhere they look. I think it's so hard to find Black princesses, Black imagery in our clothing, and our babies need to see that. So
exactly.
Come to the store in Rhodesville Marketplace, or check me out online. We got an online store too at ellas-sunchild.com.
Excellent. Look, guys, I'm gonna put that in the link too. So, and sorry about my eye, man. Y'all see that?
Boy, if you don't get
man, I'm infected, man. Sty in my eyes. I don't know what happened. Did I get punched in the face at night? Look, it's irritating the crap out of me. I must be. But y'all check it out. Please, please, please. We always talking about Black Lives Matter, BLM. Well, guess what? BBM. Black Business Matters, alright? Like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Here at Ella Sunchild for your daughter. Peace.
I'm above the rim, ain't worried about them. My shorty exotic, and plus she all in. She told me I got it, so I double the profit. Go call me a Mozzie, then I squat off a lot. And it ain't gon' stop, still rolling at 5. Spent plenty of nights with tears in my eyes, don't kill my vibe. Yeah, I heard little shorty.